In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your Google developer account to your BuddyBoss app. Once you have connected your Google account, you'll be able to sync your in-app products with those in your Google developer account and submit the Android version of your app for publishing through our publishing service. To begin, you first need to set up your Google developer account, as covered in a separate tutorial. Once created, you can connect your account on the Android settings page located in the Configure section of the BuddyBoss app settings. Let's get started. First, we need to create an app on our Google developer account. To do this, navigate to Google Play Console and log in with your credentials. From the Home tab, click Create App under the Apps section. Fill out the app name and default language. Select the type of your app, then choose whether it's a free or paid app. Scroll down and tick the Developer Program Policies and US Export Laws options. Finally, hit the Create App button. Now let's move to the next steps, which are to set up your Google Console and Google Play Store. Navigate to Google Cloud Console and log in with your account credentials. First, let's create a new project for our app. Click this button at the top, then click New Project. Enter a project name. Select your organization and location, then click Create. Our project is now created. Make sure that it's selected here at the top. From the Quick Access menu or the Navigation menu, hover your mouse over APIs and Services. Then click Library. Using the search bar at the top, search for Google Play Android Developer API. Enable this API. After enabling the API, you will be redirected to the API management screen. Navigate to the Credentials tab. Click Create Credentials. Then choose Service Account. Enter a name for this service account. Then click Create and Continue. Under the Role drop-down, select Owner. Then click Continue. Finally, click Done. Next, we need to create a service account key. Click on the pencil icon next to the service account we just created. Navigate to the Keys tab. Click the Add Key drop-down. Then select Create New Key. Select JSON, then click Create. A pop-up will appear, notifying you that your private key has been saved to your computer. Please note that you can download this file only once. Ensure you secure it in case you need it in the future. Go back to the previous page and copy this email address. We will need this email address later to grant app permissions. We've now returned to the Google Play Console page. On the left sidebar, click on Users and Permissions. Click the Invite New Users button. Paste the email address that we copied earlier. Under App Permissions, click Add App and select the app that we just created earlier. Click Apply. In the pop-up, select Admin to grant full permissions to the app, then click Apply again. Next, navigate to the Account Permissions tab. Here, you can decide whether to give full access or limited permissions to the app. Click Invite User. Pop-up will appear to confirm that you want to send the invite. You will now see that your service account is active. If you want to remove a user, click Manage next to the user's name. In the upper right of the page, there will be a Remove User button. Finally, we need to upload the JSON file back to our BuddyBoss site to complete this process. I am now in the WordPress backend under BuddyBoss app. Configure Android settings. Click on Upload File, then select the service account key downloaded to your computer. Click on Connect Account. Now, your BuddyBoss app is connected to your Google developer account. You can click the Disconnect Account button to change the API key or switch to a different account. With the connection established, you can proceed to configure your Android app as detailed in our Configure Your Android App tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.